Hi, this is Gail from Ladyfinger Sewing. We moved our little stage around a little bit because I wanted to show off some of the fun kits that we're offering for the season. And one of our more popular kits have been the Patchwork Table Runner series. And we have a new batch of the Christmas tree. This is called Patchwork Christmas. You can find it on our website under kits. This is a great table runner that makes a wonderful gift. As a kit, or if you wanted to make them, they really don't take long to do. It's a patchwork piece that is then cut out to the shape you see here and then appliqued. I did a raw edge applique with a blanket stitch, but you could applique it by hand or any way you want. So the kit includes all of the fabric for the top, the binding, the sashing, and the backing. And so it's very reasonably priced at $39.99 plus the pattern, and I'll show you the pattern. And these are available now. And this is the kit. Okay. Next, we have a snowman. And what I love about the snowman table runner, and this is also called Patchwork Snowman Table Runner. I like this guy because he's not just Christmas. You can leave him up all winter long. It has a really beautiful turquoise background and a batik. That's a really stunning way to show off the little snowman. And again, you do patchwork for the snowman head and then applique it down to the background. Now, one little tip I want to share with you is I pre-quilted the table runner before I did the applique. So I used a serpentine stitch on my Bernina 790 and just did continuous rows of it before I did the applique. So that's a neat trick so that you're not stopping and starting when you're quilting. This kit includes all of the fabric for the top, the backing, and the binding, and of course all the appliques. And in addition, it includes the little buttons that make the smile on the snowman. And do you know, I sewed those on with the number 18 foot on the Bernina. That's the button sew on foot, which makes this, instead of a couple hours to sew all those guys, it just takes a few minutes. It's really slick. Okay, and I'll show you what the kit looks like. You can see you get a little jelly roll that does all of the snowman faces, and then the sashing, the carrot nose, and the cheeks, and all of the sashing and the backing too. Okay, next, this was a runaway hit. This fall, I whipped up this wonderful, wonderful pumpkin kit. It is called Pumpkin Patch Pillow Runner Kit. And that's how you'll find it on the website, and we'll have a link below the video, I'm sure. This is the pattern for it. Okay, and then we also did a fabric kit. This includes all of the fabric for the top and the back. And then, of course, all the appliques. What I used for the background was an Essex linen. This is a cotton linen blend, so it makes a really nice sturdy pillow or runner. Remember, you can make this as a pillow, as you see here, or as a table runner. Isn't it pretty? So the thing was, I got creative and decided to use something a little bit avant-garde for this particular pumpkin. It's a Tim Holtz Eclectic Elements print. And I sold this out immediately just because I used it for this little pumpkin applique. But guess what, folks? I got more in. This isn't always possible, but I was able to get more of this fabric in. So if you want it by the yard for other projects, now's the time. So the link, this one is called Sienna Scrapped Layers, is what it is called, and of course it's from the Abandoned 2 collection from Tim Holtz. Okay, so we have it in stock right now. And lastly, I want to share with you our wonderful, wonderful tree farm. This is Gnome for the Holidays bench pillow and table runner kit. And this kit includes everything you need to make the entire project, including the backing and the binding. All right, so this you could create a bench pillow like I did, or you could create a table runner. So this is the pattern, and you can buy just the pattern if you want to use your own fabrics, or if you want to just make it easy on yourself, you can purchase the kit. And these are in stock and available now. Okay? So thank you for watching. All of these fabrics are available on Ladyfinger's website and also in our shop. So do go to www.ladyfingersewing.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the fun things that we're getting in here at Ladyfinger Sewing. Check out our Facebook page, and by all means, sign up for our newsletter. You can do that right on the home page of our website. Thanks for watching.